So because this is the 23rd lecture we are doing on the esoteric, the batin meanings of our holy dua, which is compulsory for us to recite 3 times a day, preferably in congregation, but certainly if you can't make it to Jamaat Khana, we are supposed to recite it in our own homes as well. So this reminder is important because some of you may be wondering that, we have already done 22 lectures, and yet we are still on the first line of Surah Al-Fatiha. So I thought it would be a timely reminder if I just read out a couple of lines from this farman, which was made by Mawlana Shah Karim in Bombay on the 22nd of November 1967. And this was done to an audience of the Ismaili Association of India, and the audience consisted of Wa'izin, teachers, students, so all those who were working for the knowledge of the Jamaat, the knowledge of our faith, of our Tariqah. And in this farman, Maulana Shah Karim said, please recite salawat. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Mullah says, and I quote, it is important that in learning parts of the Quran, you must clearly understand the meaning. If you recite parts of the Quran, certain words must represent to you a concept. If you study the Quran Sharif, this concept will become well known to you and through you to the Jamaat at large. This takes many years of study. I do not want you to think that this can be learned easily or without hard work. Let us recite salawat. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. So I just wanted to say that we are on the first line of Surah Al-Fatiha. We looked at the meaning of Alif Lam, Al, definite article. We looked at its literal meaning, the. We looked at its esoteric meaning, that this is the sign of recognition, that we learn to praise God through the teachings of the Prophet and the Imams from the line of the Prophet. Then we went on to Rabb last time, that Rabb has an ordinary meaning, but it has a very special meaning. And today we are going to look at the word Alameen. So this is why it is taking long. We have the literal meaning, we have the Batini meaning, and we have to think of the concepts behind each of these words. And as we had already pointed out to you, these, by the time we finish the Surah Al-Fatiha, we will have done a complete summary of the Holy Quran in its entirety. So I hope that this will be a timely reminder for us